Hello guys, welcome to Forex Financial Fighters. In this video I want to show you how to trade with Agimat2020 FxPro. First thing to do, when you open your MT4 or MT5, you must first open a high time frame for directional buyers. I recommend you to use 4-hour chart for directional buyers. So that you may know which trend is holding. It might be bearish trend or bullish trend. In this example, I want to show you about the bearish trend. How to trade the continuation of bearish trend on a 4-hour chart. How to trade the continuation on a small time frame, on a 15 minutes chart, for example. I recommend you to use 15 minutes chart to trade the continuation of a bearish signal on a 4-hour chart, so that you may not get confused with many signals here. You must know the valid signal and the false signal. The false signal are the signals that confirms against the trend. Okay, let's start, guys. And since we have a bullish trend, and then the bullish trend now is over. How do I know that it's over? The market, it goes with 3 pushes or 3 levels. By the way, this is a previous signal of sell, but this signal was for retracement. If the trend it was a bullish on a high time frame, you should have not traded this signal because it's against the trend. The valid signal that you should trade is the signals that confirms in line with the market trend. This was valid signal. You see this green box here? This was a valid signal for the bullish continuation. And then since it confirms here, it goes all the way up. Push 1 and then push 2, push 3. And today. And then since we know that it's been a long time this bullish trend going up, and it's coming to level 3, and then we should now look for sell signals, for reversal signals. Okay, since we have our consolidation here, and then we have a stop hunt high, and then we see our M formation here, followed with confirmation of Agimat. Those are the signals that you should look for when you know that the bullish trend is about to reverse. Okay, and then it confirmed yes, and then it goes all the way down like this, goes all the way down, and then there is a buy confirmation here, this is not good to take because it's no longer a bullish trend now. The trend is changed to bearish on a 4-hour chart. So this is how we know we don't trade a buy signal on a 15-minute chart or 1-hour chart. We only sell because the trend has changed. So we have a buy signal here, and then followed with a sell signal, which this is valid. This is not valid, it's wrong, because the trend has changed to bearish. Okay, let's see what happened with this trade on the next page. Okay, as you can see, our trend went down. As I told you, you should avoid trading this. Since the trend it was changed, guys, you should avoid trading buy signals because they are not valid. The valid signal are those confirmed selling sell signal from here, and then this it was our second signal, and this it was our third signal. If you miss this signal here, and then you see another signal here, and then you should sell it because you are right with the direction of a 4-hour chart. Okay, let's go to the next peak. Let's go to the next flash. You see, since our previous signal was here and here, this is our previous signals. These ones are the previous signals that we were sell here, somewhere here, and then it went to profit, and then it followed with a buy signal. This, I told you, is the signal that you should avoid. You should not panic when you see these signals coming because are not in line with the trend. We only trade the signals that are in line with the trend. These ones are not valid. And since the trend it was going down from here, from this signal, and we believe that the market is going down, guys. Okay, let's go to the next peak. Let's go to the next flash and see how this trade played out. Sorry. Okay, as you can see, since it confirmed here, you can see for yourself, since it confirmed here, and then it all goes all the way down. From here, it goes all the way down until here. Should avoid trade this. This is not valid. As long as the trend is going down, it's not valid. Those are those you should trade. You should wait for another one to come like this, and you'll find a confirmation here for the continuation of the trend. This is how you should trade with Agimat. The rules is simple. you trade in line with the trend on a higher time frame, on a small time frame. It's just simple as it is, guys. No big deal. Just simple, because it's not repainting, guys. 100% not repainting. Okay, let's go to the next flash. As you can see, the signal I was telling you about, it came like this. You should avoid trading this. Not valid. Avoid trading this and this. You should only trade this one. Those are the valid signals if the trend is going down. It's the same thing. If the trend is bullish, you should not trade sell signals, because you will not make profit trading like that. You must be patient to wait for these signals to form, guys. If you see okay, let me go back and show you some example. Okay, let's go back and I want to show you some other example here. Okay. It's the same stuff, guys. Same stuff. Since the trend was going down, down. Since it was going down. And this is the M formations, guys. Always must know that M formations. Always avoid to trade the signals that is against the trend. Doesn't mean when the Agimat not repainting, you should trade every signal you see. No, that is not how you will make money. It's how you're gonna lose money. If you trade this, don't trade this. You can trade this, and then later it comes back down, and you don't trade this because you may trade this and comes all the way down like this. What will you do? You may blame the system and say this system is bullshit. No, it's not bullshit, because you must follow the rules. When you see this signal appear here, you must simply know, you must know that there is a real signal coming in line with the trend. You must be patient to wait for the trade to come for you. Don't trade your emotionally, guys. Always, this is a chance. See, when you see this, it's a chance. You know that you should wait, and it's good. Profit. Avoid this. Avoid all this shit, and take those. Take this, and the one is coming like this. And here it is. Here it is. Always, you must wait for signal to come for you. Don't just trade because it's not repainting. Yeah, it's not repainting, but it must be right with the trend, so that you may become profitable trader and consistent trader, always making money with this system. Okay, we'll see you guys on the next video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.